Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
I'm Kimmy.
Okay, Kimmy, how old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Good job. Okay, so how are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, since you're good, are you ready for your next speaking activity?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so let's go. Okay, what you can see here is in the classroom. So in the classroom, we can see a lot of things, right? Okay, look. Which is the shelf? Shelf. Okay, look.
Here.
It's here. Very good. Okay, wait a minute. It changed. It's here. Where's the board?
It's here.
Okay, good job. Very good. Where's the computer?
It's here.
Okay, which is the apple?
It's here.
Okay, where is the bag? Okay, it's color red or color yellow. Which is the bag?
It's here.
Okay. Okay, what is that? What is the color of that bag?
It's red.
It's red. Okay. How many bags do you see in that picture? Can you count? One.
One, two,
Okay.
two.
Two. It's two. Okay. How many apples do you see? How many? Apple. Only?
It's one.
Okay. One. Okay. So let's go to the next speaking test. Okay. Okay, I have here three pictures. Which one is the rubber? Okay, very good, very good. What's the color of that rubber?
Blue and red.
Blue and red, very good. Okay, put the rubber in the bin. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay, put the rubber in the bin. Okay, what can you say?
The rubber is in the bin.
Okay, good job. What is this?
It's ruler.
It's ruler. Okay, I will put the ruler here. What can you say about the ruler?
The ruler is on the desk.
Very good. Okay, what is this?
It's pencil case.
Pencil case. What's the color of this pencil case? It's
Blue.
it's blue. Okay, so how many pencils do you see? Can you count the pencils?
It's five.
It's five. Okay, I will put the pencil case here. What can you say?
The pencil case is on the books.
Okay, very good, very good, very good. Okay, which is the crayon? How many crayons do you see?
It's one.
It's one. Okay. What's the color of that crayon?
It's red.
It's red.
It's red.
Okay, so I will put the crayon under the chair. What is the sentence?
The crayon is under the desk.
Okay, can be, can be. Okay, the crayon
The crayon is under the desk.
desk. Desk. Okay. Which one is the pencil? Okay, what's the color of that pencil?
It's brown.
It's
It's brown.
brown. Okay, how many pencils are there?
It's one.
Okay, it's one. Okay, so we are going to put that pencil on that box. Okay. Okay, what can you say about that pencil?
The pencil is under the box.
Okay, box.
Box.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how many items? How many items did you put into the board? Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many are they?
It's 5.
It's 5. Very good. Are you ready for the next task? Yes? Yes? Yes or no? Okay, let's go to the next task. Okay, Kimi. For this, you are going to read the conversations out loud, okay? Make it louder, okay? With the proper expression, pronunciation, and intonation, okay? Are you ready? Yes? Come on.
Oh no, where my pencil is here, and where my book is here too. Look. Oh, thank you, Bear.
Okay, good job. Thank you so much. Very good.